We are on the roof. It's raining. We were supposed to go out and do the waterfalls today.
No, we're gonna do waterfalls.
But if it's raining,
It's just water.
at least there will be water in the waterfall.
Same
Same but different.
but different, yeah. So we'll go
Okay.
find waterfalls. We'll try.
Okay, so first we're gonna go out, look for breakfast, coffee.
Yes.
7-Eleven coffee. Can we get 7-Eleven coffee?
We can go get
I love
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven coffee.
The iced coffee, yeah?
Iced coffee.
Cool. Let's do
Yes.
that.
Okay, let's do that. Okay, it stopped raining. We're heading out for breakfast. There's something Andre wants me to try. I completely forgot the name, but I'll check it when we get there. Okay, we're at the food court now. Okay, so we found what we were looking for. This is called, what is it called?
Kalkamu. I think I'm pronouncing it right.
Kalkamu.
Kalkamu.
Okay. Okay, so here we have some pork,
It's called braised pork.
braised pork, rice, boiled egg, and some vegetables. So good. We finished breakfast and we're on our way to the waterfall now. Okay, we made it to the waterfall. See, there's a bridge over there. I think we should cross it. Ah, there's a sign as well. So this is the name of the waterfall. I'll link the location below if you are interested in coming here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Andre, stop swinging the bridge. Stop swinging the bridge.
Huh?
I'm teaching Andre how to vlog.
Let's try.
He's a vlogger now. This is what vloggers do. You vlog me vlogging. I vlog you vlogging. So I can hear the waterfall. I think we're getting close. And now I present to you the waterfall. Big, ain't it? It's huge. Massive. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to get one of those shots of this waterfall where the water is like smooth and almost like salt. Do that by changing your shutter speed. Check out, I've got my big camera set up over here. This is the shot I'm getting and I'm gonna set it to manual mode. This is what it will look like when I take a normal shot. So then I'm gonna put a timer on for 2 seconds because I don't want the tripod to shake after I hit capture. Then I'm gonna change the aperture to not let a lot of light in. Then I'm gonna change the shutter speed to as long as I possibly can. And the nice thing is you don't need a fancy camera like this. You can even do it with your cell phone. Just go into pro mode and use the same settings I use.
Look at Andre down there, waiting patiently.
He's such a good cousin while he's waiting to finish filming the waterfall. Are you ready to go?
We are.
So we ran into a potential problem. Parked the scooters over here. Andre is checking out the potential problem. How's it looking?
Yeah, you have to cover out this.
We did what?
It's the wrong road.
So we need to go back? Okay, no problem. Did that count as off the beaten path?
Off the beaten track.
I'm gonna stop for a quick beer first. Okay, so I'm being a good influence on Andre and we are drinking Coke.
What to do?
Okay, we're on the road again. So we reached the next waterfall and this one is even larger than the previous waterfall.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. Just wait until you see it.
Okay, so basically this is the waterfall. That's the end of the waterfall. So this isn't really the rainy season. There's more rain. This whole area will be full of water and it will look a lot better than it's looking right now. Oh, what's the name of this waterfall?
Google says it's called
Zong Raue Waterfall.
That's Google.
That's Google. So we've been chilling here in this river for like a good hour now and we're getting kind of hungry. We're gonna leave, we're gonna look for a market, maybe like a night market or something where we can get some street food. So we parked next to the road, not because we found a market, but because I ran out of petrol again. This happened like at least 4 or 5 times. Happened in Thailand. This actually happened
Every time we travel together.
This has happened every time we travel together. I keep on running out of...
No, I was the first one to do it in Bali.
You were the first?
Yeah, in Bali, and then now you were here in Thailand. So my turn was in Bali and your
No,
turn
but
was in
remember the night in the boot, I ran out of petrol.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna look for a place to sit and maybe have a coconut, enjoy the sunset. So what happens when one of us run out of petrol? Hold on to his scooter and he pulls me all the way to the nearest petrol station. Anyway, here's the sunset. Got my coconuts, got my sunset. How awesome is this, bro? The sun has set, the coconuts are finished. I'm gonna end that video here. Hit that like button if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, then I guess we'll see you tomorrow.